Did you know that by age 60, 50% of men in the United States wake up multiple times nightly due to an enlarged prostate squeezing the bladder, causing weak urine streams and constant urgency? Yet 4 simple morning drinks backed by clinical studies can improve urine flow by 25 to 40% and support natural detox in as little as 4 weeks. Stick with me through every step of this journey, because not only will we unpack these powerful drinks with exact recipes and the science behind them, but I'll reveal a bonus hybrid formula at the end that's shown in trials to match prescription drugs for prostate relief without the side effects, transforming your mornings forever if you stay till the close. Imagine Dave, a 57-year-old construction worker from Chicago whose nights turned into a nightmare of stumbling to the bathroom at 1 a.m., 3 a.m., and 5 a.m., straining through a dribble that never fully emptied his bladder, leaving him groggy, irritable at work, and missing family time. This story rings true for over 12 million American men yearly seeking help for benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, where the prostate grows and presses on the urethra, trapping waste and sparking infections. Stats from the American Urological Association show it hits 80 to 90% of men over 80, stealing restful sleep and daily energy across the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. These recommendations come straight from peer-reviewed research in journals like the Journal of Urology and Urology, plus large studies like Harvard's Health Professionals Follow-Up, where men sipping these drinks cut prostate symptoms by 30% on average through antioxidants that reduce swelling and boost bladder emptying. For proof, a 2023 trial with green tea extracts improved urine flow by 25% in 6 weeks. Tomato lycopene dropped swelling markers by 21%, and nettle hibiscus blends eased blockages like medications. Cochrane reviews confirm these natural options rival drugs safely, with real patients reporting stronger streams and fewer trips in weeks. Let's dive deep into the top 4 morning drinks that target prostate health, detox, and urine flow, laid out with simple steps, tips for max results, and the medical reasons they work so well. Kick off your day with number 1, green tea elixir, rich in EGCG, a compound that fights prostate swelling by blocking growth hormones and calming inflammation, as a study of 500 milligrams extracts showed men gaining 25% better peak urine flow and having leftover bladder urine in just 6 weeks. Heat 8 ounces of water to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling to keep nutrients alive. Whisk in 1 teaspoon organic matcha powder for a creamy mix. Squeeze in half a lemon for tripled absorption and detox boost. Then sip slowly over 10 minutes first thing upon waking. Drink 2 cups daily. Japanese population studies link it to 32% fewer prostate issues by clearing toxins via liver pathways and relaxing tight prostate muscles. Men like Dave felt steady flow by noon, dodging coffee's bladder irritation. Tip: use loose-leaf sencha if matcha feels fancy. Store in the fridge for 24 hours max freshness. This drink hydrates deeply without caffeine overload, supporting prostate cells against daily stress for mornings free of urgency. Next, blend into number 2 around 8 a.m. The tomato lycopene tonic, loaded with lycopene that burrows into prostate tissue to zap free radicals and shrink swelling. Proven in a Brazilian trial where tomato juice drinkers improved prostate health markers and urine strength by 20 to 35% over 10 weeks. Wash 2 ripe organic tomatoes, a 1-inch fresh ginger piece for muscle relaxation, and 1 celery stalk. Blend smooth for 10 ounces, then gently warm to 140 degrees Fahrenheit on low heat. Cooking unlocks 4 times more lycopene than raw, per Harvard data, while ginger aids belly detox for cleaner bladder output. Sip chilled or room temp mid-morning. It eases overactive bladder nerves and flushes residue, with cohort studies showing 21% slower prostate growth and full empties every time. One patient shared his dribble vanished after 10 days, reclaiming confidence. Secret tip: add a pink grapefruit slice for vitamin C synergy, which a 2007 study tied to 30% lower BPH risk, perfect for US men battling processed diets. Rotate with watermelon in summer for variety. This tonic's simplicity makes it a daily winner for steady, powerful streams. Shift smoothly to number 3 before breakfast, about 9 a.m. The hibiscus nettle root brew, where hibiscus antioxidants curb prostate cell overgrowth and nettle root loosens urinary blockages naturally, backed by animal studies and a 2024 meta-analysis showing 78% symptom relief like finasteride drugs, without side effects. Boil 12 ounces fresh water. Drop in 1 tablespoon dried nettle root and 2 teaspoons hibiscus flowers or calices. Steep covered for 8 to 10 minutes, strain, and add a honey dash if tartness bites. Caffeine-free to avoid extra trips. It hydrates prostate tissues directly. Enjoy hot or iced. Nettles compounds mimic bladder relaxants, boosting drainage channels, while hibiscus fights fibrosis. European trials report 82% of men noting effortless voids and 40% less nighttime wakes. Real-life example. A Florida retiree cut his 4 nightly trips to 0 in a month, crediting the cooling effect on pelvic heat. Pro tip: source organic nettle to dodge contaminants. Brew double batches for grab and go, making detox a breeze even on busy days. This brew excels in hot climates, flushing toxins for vibrant urinary health. Finally, power through with number 4 post-meal around 10:30 a.m. The pomegranate pumpkin seed fusion, blending pomegranate's L-argitannins for hormone balance and pumpkin seeds zinc to cut prostate size by 15%, as Japanese 12-week trials confirm 28% better symptom scores and stronger pelvic support. Juice half a fresh pomegranate, about 4 ounces. Soak 3 tablespoons pumpkin seeds overnight, then blend creamy with a turmeric pinch for extra anti-swelling punch. Shake for 12 ounces total. Zinc curbs estrogen buildup. Pomegranate clears blood toxins fast. Drink fresh. It mimics alpha blockers for 18 milliliters per second flow rates, with UCLA data showing 44% nocturia drop. Guys report waking dry and energized. Insider secret: soak seeds in water with lemon to skyrocket zinc uptake. Pair with fatty fish later for omega-3 boost, amplifying results per Prostate Cancer Foundation guidelines. This shake fortifies from inside out, turning sluggish systems into smooth operators. Take a breath. Which of these jumps out for your routine? Green tea's quick zen or pomegranate's bold kick? Struggled with that weak stream or endless nights up? Drop your experience or first try in the comments. Your tip could change someone's life. Let's swap stories for real wins. Cycle all 4 daily. Green tea at rise, tomato at 8, hibiscus nettle at 9:30, pomegranate at 11, then rotate sequences weekly to prevent tolerance, mirroring a 2025 clinical protocol where men slashed symptoms 42%, outperforming tamsulosin for flow, sleep, and energy with no dizziness. The ultimate 5th mega drink. Mix 4 ounces leftover green tea with 2 ounces each tomato tonic and pomegranate fusion, plus nettle ice cubes for a trial-proven hybrid rivaling meds. Super detoxing while spiking Qmax by 35%. Track progress with a symptom journal. Combine with walks for 50% gains. Grab these drinks to master prostate health, flush toxins, ease flow, own your days. Hit like if this blueprint fires you up. Subscribe for weekly deep dives like next week's evening rituals to end nocturia forever. Comment your brew pick now, your challenge. Prep 1 tonight, sip at dawn tomorrow. Feel the freedom surge, reclaim the strong, vital you waiting inside. You've got this. Mornings reborn start here.